Hello Facebook, hi everybody, Jamie here. Happy hour, cocktail time with Jamie. It is Tuesday. I am already live. Wow, that happened fast. Sometimes I wait. It's a little after 4, so it's 4:30, and it is cocktail time with Jamie. Let's wait for some people to join me. If you are joining me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Hello, hello. I see some people joining now. Happy Tuesday. It is hot out there. Make sure you are staying hydrated and drinking lots of water. I don't see anybody joining, but I see people there. So give me a thumbs up. There we go. Now people are joining me. So hello everybody. Hello Susan. Hello Petra. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. Tuesday, we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We actually have a private party in the garden this evening. So we will be opening later this evening for a private party. So don't try to come in tonight. Thursday, we have live jazz in the garden, 6:30. We've decided to do live jazz until Labor Day, every Thursday night in our garden area. Let's see, what else do I need to talk about this week? There's not much.
Champagne dinner?
Oh yeah, Monday we have our champagne dinner. So all Method Champenois champagnes from New York State on Monday. It's a $49 dinner, so $50 a person. It is four wines and a dish. And we're gonna be doing scallops and oysters on Monday. 6:30 it starts. If you'd like to make reservations, please call ahead, make reservations. We're taking limited spots. It is a holiday weekend. I highly recommend making reservations this weekend. We are very busy. Sunday we have limited hours. We're only gonna be open from 12 to 5 on Sunday. We're gonna let our staff have off early so that they can enjoy the afternoon with their families. So if you are interested in coming in this weekend, please make reservations. Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. See lots of great names, lots of great people. Hello Sean, hello Gretchen. Hi Gretchen. Hello Susan, hello Catherine. Lots of awesome people on, so thanks for joining me today. Hi Mary, thanks. Give me a thumbs up. Hi Ralph. All right, we are going to make a Barr Hill Negroni. So I'm going to be using this Barr Hill Reserve Tomcat Gin. It's barrel aged in oak cask. This is an awesome product. They also make a regular, I don't want to say regular because I don't think anything they do is regular, but they're out of Vermont. This is their Barr Hill Gin. It is awesome. This gin on the rocks, oh my gosh, so delicious. So we have this in stock right now, but I have the distributor here now tasting us on some other stuff, and this is one of the things that we're tasting. So Blueprint Spirits is here. Awesome people, awesome spirits, great stuff, and I highly recommend it. So I am going to try to make a Negroni.
So it's a
with,
loner bottle.
Oh yeah, it's just a loner bottle. I don't have this one yet, but I can use the Barr Hill Gin to make your Negroni next time if you'd like me to. So a Negroni is equal parts of sweet vermouth. It's usually Campari, right?
Yep.
Campari and gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari, so 1 ounce of each. But I'm going to be using, of course, our Zamaro from Pure Spirits and the Tomcat. So I'm going to add 1 ounce of each. And 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. You probably can't see me. You probably can't see me pouring. So I'm pouring into my shaker on the side here. And the Zamaro. Do you like Negronis? If you like Negronis, give me a thumbs up. I like Negronis. It's a really great drink.
Love Negronis.
Love Negronis. Marcus is saying he loves Negronis. So I'm going to shake this up here. And I like mine on the rocks. So thanks everybody. Hello Josephine. Hello Catherine. And I'll pour it in front of you so everybody can see. So I have a Barr Hill Gin, Negroni. And I'm going to top it off with a blood orange. So a really nice blood orange. Oh, it smells delicious.
Blood oranges are healthier than regular oranges.
Blood oranges are healthier than
More
regular.
anthocyanins.
can you talk about
More
the...
I
I don't talk about that kind of stuff on my Facebook Live. Tomorrow morning, Marcus will be doing a Facebook Live on blood oranges against regular oranges. That's a great video for you.
Yes.
We need to take a
We'll
picture
take
of
pictures.
a
Take pictures, yes. Take a sip.
Cheers, everybody. Ooh. That's delicious. I'm going to let Marcus taste it. There you go, honey. Hi, everybody.
I'm the official backup.
Marcus is tasting as backup. Thanks for watching me. If you are watching me live, put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. Hope everybody is having an awesome, awesome, amazing day. It has been a busy day for us. Marcus and I have not stopped all day today, so we are ready for a drink before our party tonight. Hello, Ralph. Cheers. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll be open on Thursday. I don't know if I'll get a Facebook Live in tomorrow. Maybe I'll do one tomorrow. I might not be around on Thursday. Might be going to watch Justin play baseball. So I will possibly be on tomorrow. I had a drink planned, Rye and Reason, using Mackenzie Rye for today, but we got sidetracked and we were using the Barr Hill Tomcat Gin. So maybe tomorrow will be my Rye and Reason. Can I take my drink back? Marcus is taking a lot of pictures right now. I want to include it in my email. Okay.
Okay.
Cheers to everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Make sure you're drinking lots of water. It's hot. And I will see everybody tomorrow. Cheers.